Hey everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In this video, we talk about how you could fix the situation where your outgoing calls simply do not work. What could the reason be for it, and how can you fix it? Let's get into it. First of all, I know it's a basic thing, but before we get into anything specific, just make sure to restart your iPhone. Just do that sometimes, and I mean a bunch of times actually, it gets the job done, where you just restart the whole connections and everything, and it behaves as if nothing happened. But then if it didn't work, there are some other possible causes for this. First of all, it might be the dial code. So whenever you're calling someone, and might, for example, be in a different country, but even if not, try to include the proper dial code before the number. You can even edit the contact and just put that in there permanently. Look up the dial code if you don't know it from the top of your head, and just add it there and try to call them to see if it makes any difference. There is also a setting for it in the phone section inside your iPhone settings app, and it's called Dial Assist. And what it does is that it makes sure that the proper prefix is chosen, but of course double check it and perhaps even add it yourself in front of the number you're dialing. Then pay attention to the reception indicator in the top right corner. So if there are no bars of signal available, then it's possible that you're in an area where your specific carrier doesn't have good reception. So try moving around or repeating the same call again in the future in a completely different spot. Another possible thing might be that you, for example, don't have the proper settings turned on with your carrier. Like there are SIM cards that are, for example, cellular data only and don't work for outgoing calls. You might also not have enough credit. That happened to me a bunch of times in the past. Like I didn't pay a fixed price each month, but it worked based on the credit I had loaded on the SIM card. And if I simply ran out of it and didn't notice, the calls just didn't go through. So make sure this isn't the issue with you. And at the end of the day, I would just try a different SIM card in the iPhone to see where the problem is. You know, your phone might actually have a faulty hardware, and there would be just no way for you to know that. So these are my tips. I hope I have helped you at least a little bit. Let me know about your experience down below in the comments. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope we meet again soon in another video.